Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Monday.com for beginners. So all you have to do here is go to Monday.com and then you can create an account using your Google account. Just connect your Google account right here or your email address and password. Now it will ask you some things, for example, like what brings you here today. You can choose work, personal, and so on. What best describes your current role? How many people are on your team? How many people work at your company? You can just basically answer this one. And once done, tap on continue and then select what you like to manage first. So you can choose from any of this here. For example, product management, tap on continue, and then select what you like to focus first. So you can just basically answer this like project or task management. And lastly, how did you hear about us? You can choose from any of the option. Tap on continue. After that, you will see this who else on your team. You can add them via email address or you can skip this part. So you can add the name of your task, for example, website redesign project. Continue, choose columns for your team task. You can see it on your table view, like owner, status, due date. You can just select from any of the popular columns that you want to add. Dashboard, your team task. You can select from any of this here. And you can also unselect if you think that it's not necessary. Now for view, you can choose table, timeline, Kanban, calendar, cards. Again, for me, the easiest is table. So you can tap table right here, and then you can choose project roadmap. Now, once done, you can tap on get started. It will take you directly to your Monday work management. So this is the name, website redesign project. Here you can see task, owner, status, priority, budget, and so on. If you want to add another field, you can just basically click this plus icon. You can add date, you can add people, file, everything is up to you. So once done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I have added here a task. So for priority or date, you can just set, for example, the deadline will be this specific date. So you can just choose that you will see a calendar icon here or calendar view icon. Now, on the next side, we have here priority. You can set this to low, high, medium, or if you want to add another label, critical, it's up to you. Budget, you can change that one, and you can add more columns right here. So basically, this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to edit. Since you have your template already, you just have to add whatever is needed here on your task management. You can change the view if you want. You can add people, and after that, you can share this task management. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Monday.com for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.